Hello, welcome back, Diamond Rose Crew. What's going on with you, diamonds? Hope you guys stay sparkling and shining and get these jobs on the road, applying. Here we go with the second video of the day. It is work from home engagement specialist with Aston Carter. $15.50 per hour is a contract job. And it's a work from home job. It's remote. And the job description of this job is under the general supervision of an operations manager has the primary responsibility of ensuring the population's understanding of the program and setting the members' expectations of and access to the services provided. Provides assistance to the WBIC program, team members, and performs clerical work as required. The position requires excellent communication, customer service, and sales skills, as well as the ability to build trust and credibility while working independently, exercising sound judgment and initiative. Telephonically communicates and engages members into the programs by effectively building trust and credibility while receiving inbound and making outbound calls. Outbound self-identifies name, program, and customer employer group. Screen requests and telephone calls directing them to the appropriate individuals. Possesses solid knowledge of the programs and services and sets the expectation of service with members. Accurately collects inputs and updates data provided by the members into the CIS in a timely manner. Facilitates communication and requests among disease program team members. Share care, central operations, and market-based colleagues and healthcare providers and members. Provides administrative support to the Well-Being Improvement Center Care Enhancement Program. Initiates and maintains a variety of complex files and data records utilizing various software applications, including the electronic medical record. Other duties as assigned. Prepares and processes data of a sensitive nature while maintaining confidentiality. Is sufficiently cross-trained to provide administrative support to all members of the team as needed. This position requires a responsive, committed individual who recognizes the impact of the healthcare delivery system on the clinical and financial outcomes to the member population. The skills that you'll need for this job is customer service, call center, outbound calls, customer support, customer service oriented. Top skill details: customer service, call center, outbound calls, customer support, and customer service oriented. Additional skills and qualifications: call center and customer service. And the experience level: this is an entry level job. This is about Aston Martin again, and this is about the EEO, equal employer opportunity. Employers, it will consider all applications without regards to race, sex, age, color, religion, national origin, veteran status, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, genetic information, or any characteristics protected by law. If you need any type of reasonable accommodations to help fill out this application or the interviewing process, you have questions about the interviewing process, you can always call this number at 888-237-6835. The number once again is 888-237-6835. And it's just posted today. So you guys go ahead and apply if it seems like something you guys want to do. The next job number 2, is a remote payment poster / builder at Addison Group. And it pays up to $20 per hour. And this company is based out in Vienna, Virginia. It's a remote position. It's a contract job. The job description is one of the largest ophthalmology companies nationwide is looking for remote payment posters to help with backdated medical payments. Candidates with any medical billing and payment posting experience are encouraged to apply. Hours of schedule is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. It is fully remote. $20 up to $20 per hour based on the experience. So it's based on you guys' experiences, up to $20 per hour based on your experience. Requirements is 1 year of medical payment posting experience working with insurance, and EMR experience. And it's an equal employer opportunity employer that doesn't discriminate, and it just got posted today. So if it seems like that's something you guys want to go and look into, then it is up for grabs. This job is going to be it's probably gonna go fast. The payment variance and appeals specialist job. This company is paying $18 per hour, and it's a remote position, and it's a full-time position. So if you apply, you have to have experience in Epic medical terminology and analyst skills. And the benefits for this job is dental insurance, health insurance, and vision insurance. Full-time position description. The hiring manager is looking for a specialist to come to join the team. This individual will be working through work crews to write appeals, perform reconsiderations, and decide if the claim has been paid correctly. Responsibilities: resolve assigned accounts in a timely and accurate manner, which maximizes reimbursement in compliance with payer regulations and the department's policy and procedures. Reviews historical payment information to determine accuracy of reimbursement. Review potential payment variances and identifies true discrepancies. Resolve potential disputes with payers by following appeal protocols and processes. Work closely by way of the problem solving with peers and leaders to address payer underpayment and denial issues or changes that directly impact the accounts receivable. Consistently utilize and accurately interpret various contracts. Consistently identify and pursue collection of the money due on short paid accounts. Ensure all functions related to underpayments and denial support the team goals and objectives, as well as WellStar's financial performance objectives. Verify overpaid accounts for appropriate payers and send to the credits and refunds specialists for review. Consistently meet or exceed productivity standards, quality audits, targets, errors, ratios, and reporting requirements as assigned by the department manager. Requirements: high school diploma or equivalent required, minimum of 2 years healthcare revenue cycle, medical billing or health insurance experience, healthcare account resolution and or payment variation analyst experience referred. 2 years of experience in account resolution is strongly preferred. Experience with Epic and PC-based applications with the ability to perform mathematical calculations, understand payer policies, contracts, all applicable billing rules and regulations to facilitate decision making. Excellent communication / customer service skills will include oral and written comprehensive and expression when dealing with patients, families, public, co-workers, and professional offices, internal or external. Basic knowledge of medical terminology and PC applications are required. Experience preferred. Not required, but it's preferred. Strong time management skills are needed to manage multiple priorities with a heavy workload in a high stress atmosphere, including flexibility to perform other tasks as needed in an active work environment with the possibility of constant work changing work needs. Ability and willingness to exhibit behaviors consistent with principles of excellent service in problem solving, analytical and investigational skill, along with demonstrating and maintaining competency as required for this job title and the unit/areas of assignment. So this job is a full-time job and it's $18 per hour, as I stated earlier, and it has dental insurance, health insurance, and vision insurance. And it's a daytime position, daytime shift position, Monday to Friday. And the experience you don't have to have, but it's preferred, is clinical appeals 1 year, payment variation and resolution 1 year, clinical analysis 1 year. And work location is remote and is currently hiring one candidate for this role, so it's urgently hiring. This is posted today. So guys, that's it for today for this video. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the Diamond Rose squad. Hi Diamond, sparkle on, join the crew. Welcome, welcome. And if you are a current subscriber, welcome back. I hope you guys like this content. Give me a like. It helps me get onto the YouTube algorithm. And comment down below if you got hired and tell me about your success by getting hired and how amped you are about starting work. Okay, that will be all for this video. I will see you guys on the next video.